Simplifying using reduction formulae. Cos square of 90 degrees minus x plus sine square of 90 degrees plus x all over tan of 540 degrees minus x times sine 90 degrees minus x. Solution. From reduction formulae, we know that cos of 90 degrees minus x equals sine x. Therefore, cos square of 90 degrees minus x equals sine square x. Sine of 90 degrees plus x equals cos x. Therefore, sine square 90 degrees plus x equals cos square x. Sine of 90 degrees minus x equals cos x. Tan of 540 degrees minus x equals tan of 360 degrees plus 180 degrees minus x. Substituting the values obtained in 1, 2, 3, and 4, we get equals sine square x plus cos square x over tan of 360 degrees plus 180 degrees minus x times cos x. Using square identity equals 1 over tan of 360 degrees plus 180 degrees minus x times cos x. Since tan of 360 degrees minus theta equals tan theta, we get equals 1 over tan 180 degrees minus x times cos x. The tan ratio in the denominator can be reduced using the formula tan 180 degrees minus theta equals minus tan theta equals 1 over negative tan x times cos x. Since there is a cos ratio in the denominator, we can rewrite the tan ratio using the quotient identity. Equals 1 over negative sine x over cos x times cos x. Since cos x over cos x is 1, the equation simplifies to equals negative 1 over sine x.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.